Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Google Chrome error. Google Chrome connection is not private. So to fix this error, firstly click on Start and search Control Panel. Open Control Panel. In here click on Network and Internet. If you not see this option, so select View by as category. So you will see these all options. Now click on Network and Internet. In here click on Network and Sharing Center. Now right click on your connection. It can be Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Now in here click on your connection. It can be Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Properties. Now select Internet Protocol version 4 and properties. Now choose this second option. Use the following DNS server address. Now type 8 and 8 and 8. So type 48 in row and also alternative DNS server. So 8 and 4. Then click on OK. Now close it and restart your PC. Hopefully this will fix your Google Chrome connection error. Thanks for watching.